Oh man, it was a powerful show, man. And
He
hey,
is, man,
everybody,
y'all. Erykah Badu is a straight sorcerer, magician, every show self deification.
nigga, she had on that magician hat, nigga, and she was like, nigga, I'm about to do some magic on your ass. I'm
For real
pulling,
though. For
I'm
real
pulling,
though, y'all.
I'm pulling all this energy from y'all ass right here, right now. Shit.
It was so genius, family. Like when I tell y'all, see, it's good to be conscious though. See, that's the thing. At least I was conscious of it. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna give the sis her energy, give the sis her love because she deserves it. She was powerful. But it's a lot of people that did not recognize the symbols and the power of what was happening. Like I was saying on my live today, babe, every time she put herself in that pyramid using the lights, she would start chanting.
Mm-hmm.
She would start chanting, you know what I mean? And the music would stop, where all you were really hearing from her was the chants while she's in this pyramid of light. I'm like, she's a magician. And everybody screaming, yelling, and singing her songs and all of that stuff is powering her up. So it was dope.